In this tutorial, we will use patch editor to create a button. When we tap the button, it will reveal an object. I'm starting this tutorial with the face mask template. I have changed the face mask to MMU logo. Okay, first we need an object. For example, I'm using a 3D object here. I will place the 3D object onto my scene. You can start off with importing any 3D object from Spark AR library. Okay, I will put it in the background. Okay, now if I look at the 3D object, it's not on my phone screen, so I need to position it to a better position. Okay, so now it's visible. Maybe move it upwards a bit. Okay, maybe I put it on my right. Okay, so these three objects, we will control the visibility by clicking a button. Next, we can specify a button. So to create a button, we can add an object called rectangle. Add object rectangle. Okay, just type rect and then choose rectangle and then add into the scene. Okay, the rectangle object is this checkered pattern appearing on your handphone screen. You can put a material onto it. So you go to the rectangle and then choose create rectangle 0. When you create a rectangle, usually it is automatically added with the canvas and then rectangle 0. Okay, then we will choose a material for our button. So the rectangle will be our button. Now you look at the rectangle 0, go to material. I will add a new material, create new material, and then we will assign a pattern or a photo for the material 0. Depends on what's the name of the material. You look up the material name, material 0. Currently it doesn't have any specific file. Okay, so material 0, I will choose a file. I use an MMU logo to be the material for the rectangle. So this rectangle, when we click, we want to control the visibility of the 3D object. So what we'll do next is we will create an action in the patch editor. First, we choose the 3D object, which is mine is animal crossing pocket. Okay, click on animal crossing pocket from your scene. Then in your properties for the 3D object, you click on the yellow circle that will create the patch for visibility of the 3D object. Okay, so on your patch editor, we have animal patch here. Okay, next we will create add patch and then search for tab. We choose object tab. Okay, then add patch. Okay, next we will link the logo with the object tab patch. To link the logo to the object tab, now you choose the logo from your scene, which is mine is rectangle 0. This is actually my logo. I drag and drop it to the patch editor. Okay, you'll get rectangle 0. So rectangle 0 is actually my logo. I link my logo to object tab and link object tab to the visibility of my 3D object. Okay, this one switch is automatically added. Now to use the interactivity, you need to press Ctrl and then you see the pointer become a circle. Now you can imitate the tapping action. Ctrl and left click. Okay, so that is how you imitate tapping on your handphone screen. Okay, you can even animate this 3D object. For example, here I choose animal object, then you make a right click, then we can create a simple animation. Animate spin, for example. Okay, so you fix the spinning axis. That's all.